Hi there, welcome to ECS Coffee. We're here in our Burlington location. We're about to do an unboxing video of the DeLonghi La Specialista Maestro. It just landed, so we're pretty excited to get it unboxed and start brewing with it. So I'm just gonna pull the tabs, lift it up. Let me see what's in here. So first off, you're getting this Welcome to the World of Coffee box. Let's see what's inside here. A cleaning. What is this? Oh, this is new. I will have to investigate that further. It's a cleaner for the coffee maker. Water hardness testing strip. The ever important manual and quick startup guide in multiple languages. Let me see what else is in here. I'm just gonna shove this over so we can see all the goodies they gave us. Oh, it's thermal. So this is the pitcher to actually froth your milk over. Oh, look at that. So it's actually shaped like a jug. It's the first time I've seen anything like that from DeLonghi, so this should be interesting. And this is what it will plug into the front of the machine. And then on the top, you've got your foam levels, and it's, I think it's really well done. It's a good indicator of less foam to more foam on the side there. If you wanted to do the traditional frothing, just one little cup at a time instead of putting a lot of milk in, I'm guessing that's what that's for. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, the double baskets and single baskets, depending on how big you want your shot. So single size portafilter and double size, let's see. They're single wall, oops, not dual wall. And then, so it comes out more like a traditional barista style coffee. And then taking care kit. So looks like a cloth to buff it up. Oh, and the back flush. So if you ever need to back flush your coffee maker, you put your little cleaning tab in there and then you're off to the races. Let's see what comes in here. Portafilter where you pop the baskets into. We'll do that. And then descaler and cleaning. You're ready to go. So when you need to descale, they give you a starter fluid for that. Okay, now off to the more exciting stuff. It's your cord. Massive amounts of styrofoam to keep your machine safe. I'm pretty short, so I would traditionally do this from the ground. Yeah, I'm gonna lift it to the ground. It's got good solid handles there. And more handles. Whoa, I might need help getting this up. I'm gonna have to break here and get somebody to help me lift this out. I'll be right back. Jack. Yeah, then we can go back in.
You can help me.
Yeah. I was grabbing two handles at the one time, so there's the nice lifting handles here. And more styrofoam. There we go. That's what the base was sitting in. Wrapped in plastic and in more plastic. Trying to see the look of this. Whoa, so shiny. It's a beautiful looking machine. All right, so now we're just going to unwrap it. So they've done a really good job with this. Yeah, like the look of it. Looks like there's 8 steps to the grinder when the other one had only 4 or 5. All right. I could see how heavy this is when I go to lift it off the cardboard. Shouldn't be too bad. Alright. We'll just set that aside. Throw the bits away. So drip tray is also covered. So it looks like it has the same metal stand as the other models. Just gonna wrap this. So there you have it. There's a few stickers left to remove. There's a film here on top of the hopper here. And there's, actually we're just gonna take these off because we're gonna be using this machine today. We're excited to get going with it. So this one is going to show your dose level and your tamping. And then this one I just pulled off so you could dial in all your different coffees from espresso all the way around Americano, flat white. Let's see what this film looks like. It says it's a protective film on here, so we'll probably just leave that one on. I don't think it's taking away from the look of the machine, where they might have already done it. So professional steam wand, it looks like, and it's the 2 levels. So if you're doing your short little cup, you would put your espresso cup here. When you tuck it away, when you want a fuller cup of coffee or a glass that's tall and you wanted to add your milk. So there you have it. There is the DeLonghi Maestro. Yeah, so now we have everything here that came in the box that we opened earlier. And so the portafilter, the 2 baskets, the milk carafe, or the single steam wand. We can't wait to get started using this machine, which we're going to fire up immediately. And then you want to check the link up above when we get the full demonstration provided for you and all the details. Take care.